Okay, just gotta do it. Did you hear that? Wow, what a sleek design. I'm here in my office and I just removed this from the packaging that it came in. So I'm super excited to take a closer look. I have my desktop stand series, multifunctional reading stand. I definitely love a good acrylic product, and I think this will look beautiful whether I am working here in my office or at my desk bike. I could use it at the island in the kitchen or the kitchen table. This seems very versatile. Well, this is cute. Right off the bat, there's a little bookmark surprise in there. That's fun. It says, "I can see your halo." Then we have a user manual, simple instructions for starting up, and then it looks like a cloth for cleaning the screen. Nice. So the electronic cleaning cloth could actually work really well on the acrylic as well. I love that it comes with the foam to keep it protected. And actually this was extremely well packaged. It had protective foam all around it to ensure that it would arrive in pristine condition. It's very sturdy, very heavy duty. I mean, this is a very firm connection point. Oh yeah, wow, this is powerful. Because some acrylic products can seem really flimsy and cheap. This is definitely high quality, very thick, and then like I'm saying, these joints, the way that it's screwed together, really top notch. And like a powder coated finish on the base, and then this is beautiful. A beautiful like brushed nickel is what it looks like. You can even hear how nice it moves. I'm so impressed and I'm really excited. It's funny to get excited over the little things, but that's fun. So we'll swing these down, and then this becomes the book holder or electronics holder, that sort of thing. Wow, what a sleek design. I can't get over this. Then there's this little rubber padding too, and these, great. So you know that when it makes contact with your surface, it's going to help hold it in place, the little rubber grips. I can't say enough good things about this. So, okay, I'll remove my fingerprints and get it set up. We'll be good to go. Wait. There's also a rubber padding here to help hold your book or electronics, whatever, in place. Love it.